Hello everyone. Today's Algo Challenge topic is palindrome checker with Java and Python. Let's move to the definition for palindrome. So palindrome is a character sequence or letter sequence or number sequence which reads the same backward as same as the forward. So for example, let's say Adam. So the forward is MADAM, backward is MADAM, the same sequence from the forward and the backward. So race car also the same. So let's check how we can check a given word or a string is a palindrome with Java and Python. Okay, let's start the coding part. My script is palindrome checker dot python. So I will add my method as is palindrome. Input should be the string or the character sequence. So inside this method, what we need to do is get the reverse sequence of this S and check it with the original. So if both are same, that means it is a palindrome. If not, it is not a palindrome. So first step for this one, we need to get the reverse order. To get the reverse string, we can use few approaches. So first one, we can get the extended slice approach. So that means we can give the -1 step and then slice. So this gives the reverse order. As well as another method we can use is get an empty string and join it with the reversed object of S. So these both are okay to get the reverse value. Let's print some values and check rev1 and print rev1. So let's call is palindrome for one string A, B, C, D. So let's check both are giving the same as D, B, C, A. Yes, both are in reverse order. So that means we can use either one of these two. So at the next step, we need to check whether this reversed one is same as the original S. So if so, we can return this is as a palindrome. We can return true. Otherwise, we can return false. So the logic is too simple as that. So we can print for few test cases. So I will say print is palindrome. Let's say MADAM. Another one race car. So let's have a wrong one as well. So A, B, C, D. So let's try. So first two returns true and third one returns false. So that means this validates the whether it is a palindrome or not. So this is the logic for palindrome checker. Get the reverse order and check it with the original. So another method for this palindrome checker is you can run through a for loop from starting to the half of length of this string S and check it whether the first character is same as the last character and the second character is same as the second last character, like that up to the middle of the string. You can check. If all are same, you can return it as a palindrome. Otherwise, it is not a palindrome. So both types you can check the palindrome. So we can move to the Java code as well, just to describe. So this is my palindrome checker Java class. Let's go through the logic here. So it's a simple, very single line code. So this one also doing the same thing. It checked the reverse order. So this selected part shows the getting of reverse string of input, and it checks with the original whether it is equals. If it is equal, it returns true. So what we use here is stream builder class, and using input, and it gives the reverse order and check it with the original. So very simple. So I have written few test asserts also. So race car, madam, and ABCD. So first two should be give the assert true, this one assert false. So this should be run without any interruption. Yeah, test is fast. So this is the easiest method of Java to check the palindrome. In Java also we can use the other method that we can check the first and last, and the second and second last, like that up to the middle of the string. We can check from both sides, and if all are same, we can return true, otherwise return false. So that is it for the today's episode. Let's meet with another episode. So keep suggesting for good algorithms for next tutorial. Thanks.